Right guys, hope you can all see me alright there. Doing something a little bit different today, something I haven't done in a long time and I'm really enjoying it actually. I've got the pop-up hide and I'm at a cattle farm at the moment. I was called last night to ask if I'd like to bring my hide and have a go at the crows, so the owners told me where he wanted me to go and where he thought would be the most productive. So I've popped my hide up. I'm actually to the left of a skip and it's got like some metal work over the top of it. I'm pretty enclosed really. I've got the pop-up hide, I've got the Taipan Veteran 2, got some 18 grain JSB and I'm sat waiting. I had one crow on arrival, which you'll see it after this video after I stopped talking. Just off the wire, just as I pulled up. That was a nice shot. Obviously, crows being crows, first shot they seem to have spread off and gone elsewhere, but I'm starting to hear them again now. So you probably hear that one in the background making some calls. But I've opened the gates now to the main barn, and I can, from here, as you'll see on some footage hopefully, I've got a rundown straight of the feeders. Got feeders on my left, feeders on my right. Got cows' heads popping out, so I've got to be very careful with when I shoot and how I shoot here. Luckily there's a lot of steel girders going across which blocks a lot of the shots, so if a bird lands near them it's pretty safe shot. I can see up in the roofs as well, again there's steel framework, so if one sits on there, if I miss, the backstop is the steel. Got a hay bale behind all this as well at about 80, well, so I haven't ranged it, I'll say 60-70 metres. Might be able to get one or two off the top of there. Behind it is just as a dump ground, so there's nobody on there. I've checked with the farmer who's where today, and with it being a quiet day, he said there was no one in apart from himself and one farmer on a tractor, but he's going to be here, there and everywhere. And of course I had to let him know where I was because I don't want him putting me in the skip or anything on top of me, so it works both ways. So anyway, like I say, I've got the Zulue 5-20, Taipan Vet, 18 grain JSBs, and I'm nice and hidden. I haven't done any of this type of shooting for a long time. It's always been long range slugging or sneaking about with a subby. So we'll see how it goes anyway. I'm seeing a lot. Oh, first customer. I took that shot out of massive excitement and I've took him down and I forgot to press record on the Zulue. What a plonker. But the result's the same. One down. I'm using a single shot loader today actually. A lot of people ask me why, but I just like using it. It's so smooth. Got two lovely magazines for this gun. It'd probably be more ideal in the hide actually, but nice and smooth. The accuracy is always better when you single shot load. So yeah, that's one down, including the one off the wire this morning of course, but a good start. And the Taipan is tuned so low down on the pellets, doing 880, and they're just, it's silent, it's ever so quiet. Quick shot, job's a good one. Don't think even the cows don't move. Should I say move? Anyway, I'm going to carry on. I'm going to keep my head down for a bit, hopefully get some more, and I will press record next time. This is the one that I got on arrival on the wire. A nice easy shot at 31 metres. Customer at 53 metres here. He's down. He's just turned his back on me. I thought he was going to fly off, so Give it a tiny bit of right to left, just because there is a bit of wind before it enters the barn. Now it's straight in between his shoulder blades and he's down, so it's a good start. It's a nice one down. Hopefully get a few more for you. Well, that pigeon just landed up just above me on the roof, 17 metres. Straight down, that's 17 metres, nice easy shot. But it's very, very quiet, and I don't know why. Obviously, me shooting is going to disturb them, but I expected a lot more than this. I can hear them, but I'm sure I'll get more if I went out and shot them off the roof. So, like I say, give it a time. I want to keep the farmer happy, but I also can hear them. I know they're there, so I might have to move. This hide work's not really doing the business. I reckon I would have had more out there, but who knows, eh? Still enjoyable all the same. Got one at 43 metres there outside on the wire. Let's try and take him out. Wind should be right behind me here. Yeah, lovely. Lovely shot. So yeah, I just thought I'd have a look to my left where I could hear some activity, and there's a pigeon sat right on the wire there. So yeah, it's another one down, but as I say, I think there's more out there than there is flying in. Farmer's just rocked up there, so see what happens. Well, well, I waited what seemed like an eternity there. Finally we had a rook rock up. He just poked his neck out from the back of the girder, and I managed to throw the pellet onto him. So that's another one down, but slow going. Definitely slow work. There's nothing like I expected, but I'm out, I'm enjoying it, and we're getting a couple down. Well, that pigeon landed right above me at 17 metres or something like that. I can't remember what it was, but I had to swap the gun to the left hand side of me because there's a concrete block blocking him. So I swapped eyes and had to lean right across to the left to take him out. But managed to get him. Very quiet still. I really want some fast action. I've been looking forward to this, but I think that's 4 or 5 down anyway, so still getting a few, that's the main thing. But yeah, the Taipan and the 18 grains, it just works a beaut. Toned it right down on the tune, and it's quiet and just laser accurate. I'm really happy with this setup. Lovely little gun. I'm going to have to come out in a minute though because I need a toilet, so I'm going to have to give the game away. That's a lovely shot. I think that was a headshot, 102 metres. Very happy with that. Beautiful. That's testament to the accuracy of the 18 grains and the Taipan Vet 2. As you can see, I've changed position. I've gone to the car, I've ditched the hide. I'm going to adapt the roaming approach for a bit. See how we get on. That was a beautiful shot, 104 metres on that one. Opportunity. There we go. Beautiful shot. Just reading that wind, I noticed the branches just to my right have just changed direction slightly, so I'll just give it a bit more right to left, and there we go. Oh, a bit more needed on that one. Done. Well, that's the end of my short session. It was very enjoyable. We're managing to get a few from the hide and a few from the roving approach also. The Zulus 3 to 12 performed faultlessly alongside the Taipan Veteran 2, which simply loves the 18 grain JSBs. I love this setup and it's perfect for this kind of hunting. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Cheers. Lee Watts, Air Rifle Hunter 87.